If you are looking to stay up to date on the latest in cryptocurrency and in real estate investing, you have come to the right place. Very unlikely. It was reported today that Gary Gensler is expected to be the chairman of the SEC under the Biden administration. He is not new to Capitol Hill at all, serving under the Clinton administration and also under the Obama administration. During the Trump administration, he has actually been a professor at MIT, where he's been teaching students none other than about digital assets and blockchains. So you say to yourself, that is great news and very friendly for the world of crypto. But is it? Let's talk about it. Of course, you're thinking, he's a professor at MIT and he teaches about blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. Surely this is great to have him over the SEC to help push legislation to move things forward. My thought is, I would say not so quick. And if I had to describe how I feel about it, I would say cautiously optimistic. Now, currently, the chairman of the SEC, Jay Clayton, I think a bag of rocks is probably better than him, because he has basically had a vendetta for many cryptos, calling them securities, going after them. I won't say that he's been wrong about all of those, but in this space, one crypto affects another. But I will say about Gary is that it doesn't mean he won't do some of the same. Now, he has said that Bitcoin is revolutionary. That is great. He has also said that he thinks a few cryptos do fall under that security tag. And obviously, when it falls under that, we're starting to get in some bad territory. So, my thoughts is, for the most part, I do think cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology, due to Biden's choice, will advance and prevail in the end. I think what we have to watch out for is, during this cycle, any news is going to have an effect, and there's going to be some volatility due to it. Any news is not positive. So, as a trader or investor, and of course, I've got to say it, I am not a financial advisor. Before you do anything with your money or invest in anything, you need to seek the advice of a financial advisor. I will say, if you're going to be trading or you're going to be holding through this bull cycle, I would keep up to date on the news with the SEC, because you need to know when something happens so you can make the right choice. So I do want to say, just because it seems this would be bullish and a great thing, you still have to watch out. I do believe Bitcoin, I don't believe there'll be any problem at all. I do believe in the past he has also said at one point he thought Ethereum was a security, but that does seem to have more clarity, even more so now. I personally think Ethereum would be fine, but for starters, if you're getting into blockchain technology and crypto, you really should get a firm understanding of what makes something a security. It's a test. You need to really learn up on that and the qualities that make something a security. And you need to be thinking about that. The big thing about cryptocurrency is decentralization, and how it starts at the beginning has much to do with, is it a security? Is it possible? And by the way, that test is the Howey test. So you really want to learn up on stuff like that, because although you may be thinking, just like if you're in the stock market, hey, I'm just putting my money in, I know a little bit about the company, whether it was Tesla, I'm just trying to see where it goes. This market is volatile, and you really want to keep up to date because news can drop at any time, and there's always news coming down. So you will see different reports on, hey, this is bullish for crypto. I'm sure there's some people that'll say it's bearish. I think there's some pros and some cons to it, but I would just say cautiously optimistic, be slow to make moves, but also listen, look for news, see what's coming down. But ultimately, I do think over this next 4 years that because the way that he regards cryptocurrency, for the most part, it will be positive. I do think we'll get more clarity, but we've kind of just wade in the water to wade through some of the stuff that's going to be coming at us. But ultimately, I think it's positive. I certainly hope that it does not affect this bull run cycle. This, I believe, is going to be the biggest and longest bull run cycle to date in cryptocurrencies. Thank you for joining Perry Unlikely. Please hit the like button. It really helps. Subscribe, hit the bell for notification. Leave a comment if you have any questions, not only about my channel, but where you can get information, whether that be more sources on YouTube, more sources as far as magazines, literature, anything on cryptocurrency and investing, by the way, because we love real estate as well. It's tangible. It is an amazing form of passive income, something that we will be talking more about. Let me know. Take care.